Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to bypass Steam region lock. Without any further ado, let's get started. First things first, you'll want to open your VPN application and connect to a server in your desired location. This step is crucial because it masks your actual geographic location and allows you to access content that might be restricted in your region. Make sure the VPN connection is fully established before moving forward, as this ensures Steam will recognize you as being in that specific region. Once your VPN is connected and active, go ahead and open your Steam application. From there, log into your account with your credentials. This will take you to your main Steam interface where you can access your library and settings. Now direct your attention to the upper left corner of the Steam window. You'll see a menu option labeled Steam. Click on it to reveal a drop-down menu with various options. From this menu, select Settings. This will open up your Steam settings panel where you can customize different aspects of your client and account preferences. In the settings window that appears, you'll notice a left side panel with several categories. Click on Downloads from this list. This section controls how and where Steam downloads your game files, which is exactly what we need to adjust to match your VPN location. Inside the Downloads section, look for an option called Download Region. Right beside this label, you'll see a drop-down menu. Click on it to view all available regions. This drop-down contains a comprehensive list of regions from around the world, so take your time scrolling through it. Here's the important part. Make sure to select the region that matches your VPN location. For instance, if your VPN is connected to a server in the United States, choose a US region from the drop-down. This alignment between your VPN location and Steam's download region is what allows you to bypass regional restrictions and access content available in that area. After selecting the appropriate region, you'll see a button that says Restart Now. Click this button to apply your changes. Steam will close and reopen automatically with your new settings in place. This restart is necessary for the region change to take effect properly, so give it a few seconds to complete the process. And that's it. You've successfully configured Steam to bypass region lock by aligning your download region with your VPN location. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.